In this video, we'll show you how to use Dapper with dotConnect for SQLite to build a clean, high-performance data layer in your .NET application. To get started, you'll first need to create a new console application project in Visual Studio. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at some data from the SQLite database. Right-click on Data Connections, then select Add Connection. Input your connection properties and click Test Connection to confirm that everything is set up correctly. For this tutorial, we'll use the Sequila database to manage sample data throughout the process. Once the connection is live, you can view all the available tables. For example, let's open the tables to inspect their fields. You can retrieve data from the tables to review the data structure. Next up, let's set up SQLite connectivity. Right-click on Solution Explorer, open the NuGet Package Manager, search for Dapper, and click Install. Then, install the Devart Data SQLite package. Once installed, you'll need to activate your Devart license. Click the button to open the Devart customer portal, then sign up or sign in. Copy the generated license key and use it to activate the product. Now your project is fully set up and ready to go. We will add a helper class that stores our connection string. It exposes a simple method that opens and returns a live connection, ready for use in any part of the application. To map data from the customer table, we create a simple class with properties for each field we'll use. This model enables Dapper to map query results into strongly typed objects automatically. To read data, we open a connection and run a SQL query selecting basic customer fields. Dapper automatically maps each result row into our model. We loop through the list and print customer info to the console. We perform a batch insertion by preparing a SQL statement with parameters and passing in values through objects. After executing the batch insert, we immediately query the database to confirm that all the new records were successfully added. To update, we identify a specific customer by their ID and apply the new values. After the update, we retrieve the modified record and display it to confirm the changes. This approach ensures a safe and targeted update of the data. To delete, we specify the exact customer by ID and run a delete operation. The app prints the number of rows removed, providing explicit confirmation that the operation worked as expected. dotConnect for SQLite makes database access in .NET fast, flexible, and developer-friendly, especially when paired with Dapper. Download the 30-day free trial and simplify your next data-driven project.